What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Not Your Friend by Jeremy Zucker. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it just uses a few different chords that repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. First chord is going to be an A major bar chord. It's going to be 5, 7, 7, 6, 5, 5. Bar the entire 5th fret with your index finger, ring finger 7th fret A string, pinky finger 7th fret D string, and middle finger 6th fret on your G string. Then we're going to go E major, which is 0, 2, 2, 1, 0, 0. Middle finger 2nd fret on your A, ring finger 2nd fret on your D, index finger 1st fret on your G. Next up, you're going to go B major, which is, I'm not playing anything on the low E here, starting on the 2nd fret of the A string, and then I'm barring the 4th fret of the G, B, and D, G, and B. And if you can bar the 2nd fret and get that high E on 2, you can. You don't have to though. I'm just doing 2 on A, 4, 4, 4 on D, G, B. Then you're going to go F sharp minor, which is 2, 4, 4, 2, 2, 2. Bar the entire 2nd fret with your index finger, ring finger 4th fret A string, pinky finger 4th fret D string. Then finally slide that formation down 2 frets for G sharp minor. It's 4, 6, 6, 4, 4, 4. Then it starts back at your A and all those repeat. Once you get your chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. Starting on that A, you're going to be going down strum, and like in the beginning of the song he's just picking like the root notes for these chords, but it's a down, and then take your fingers off to just mute the strings, and you're going down, down, up before switching to the next chord. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up, mute, down, 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 up, mute, and then down, down, starts over, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. Now I think twice, right before the choruses, he does this little picking part on the B chord. So once you go from right before the chorus, he goes to that B, but he adds his pinky finger on the 5th fret of the B string. So you're going 2, 3, or 2, 4, 4, and then 5. And just down strum once, and then take that pinky back off to where now you're on the 4th fret of the B string again. So all together right before the chorus, that looks like. And we jump into the chorus. So one more time. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are gonna work is each month I'm gonna pick 2 winners. One is gonna receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is gonna win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now, all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm gonna be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm gonna live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.